Good afternoon, बच्चों. Today we are going to start our new lesson, that is physical and chemical changes. You have studied a lesson regarding this topic in class 6th also. The name of the lesson was Changes Around Us. In that lesson, changes are classified into reversible and irreversible changes. Changes are classified into reversible and irreversible changes. In this class, we will study them as physical and chemical changes. Let us discuss a few examples. Take a piece of paper and cut it into 4 square pieces. Again, then each square into 4 small pieces. As, as much as possible, cut them into small to small pieces. What do you observe? We will observe very small square pieces of paper. Similarly, either collect a chalk dust lying on the floor near the blackboard in your class or crush a small piece of chalk into dust. Add a little water to the dust to make a paste. Roll it into the shape of a piece of chalk. Then take ice tray from your freezer. Keep it on the table in some pot. After some time you can see water in the pot, cold water. In place of ice, there is cold water. You must have boiled water at your home. If we keep our cover on the boiling water, what do we see inside the cover? We see the drops of water. That means water is boiling, vapors are releasing, and those vapors on coming in contact with utensil which is covered on the boiling pot, they got cool and condensed to get back into the water. What do all these things, what changes we are observing? There is a change. In the first one, a paper has been changed into small piece of papers. Chalk into chalk dust. Ice into water. Water into vapor, and vapor again into water. In all these things, in all these changes, what we are observing, there is change in shape, size, color, and state of a substance. State means what? Liquid to vapor, vapor to liquid, liquid to solid. There are 3 states of matter: liquid, solid, and gas. In all these things, we are watching the change, and that change is in shape, size, color, and state of a substance. So, a change in which a substance undergoes a change in its physical properties. A change in which a substance undergoes a change in its physical properties is called a physical change. Now, what is the meaning of physical properties? All the properties which are related with shape, size, color, and state of a substance are physical properties. So, in all these changes, which properties are changing? Physical properties are changing. There is change in shape, change in size, change in color, and change in state. For change in color, take a blade or a hexagonal blade, warm it in the flame. We can see the change in the color of the hexagonal blade. After some time, after cooling, the color again changes. So, when in any change, there is change in physical properties, and physical properties are shape, size, color, and state. Such type of changes are called physical change. A physical change is generally reversible. It is generally reversible. And in such a change, no new substance is formed. Ice is solid form of water. Vapor is gas form of water. No new substance. The general formula is H2O only. A paper doesn't changes into anything else. The size of paper is changing. A chalk has been crushed and powdered form of chalk is having the same chemical constituents as it is in the solid form. A hexagonal blade doesn't change its chemical properties, its constituents. So, in such a change, no new substance is formed. But a change in which one or more new substances formed. A change in which one or more new substances are formed is called a chemical change. In your book, many chemical reactions are given that we will study later on. But to make you know what is a chemical change, what is a new substance, let us discuss some examples around us only. That is, in place of tearing of paper, if we burn a paper, what will happen? Ash is formed. An ash is a new substance. So this change is a chemical change. It is an irreversible change. हम ash को फिर से पेपर में change नहीं कर सकते. Similarly, cooking of food. Cooked food cannot be changed into uncooked food. चाहे कितना भी ठंडा कर दो उसको, एक बार पक गया, एक नया सब्सटेंस. केमिकल कंपोजिशन कुक्ड फूड का अलग होता है, अनकुक्ड फूड का अलग होता है. देन milk into curd. What happens? We add a small amount of curd into milk. After few hours, by the action of bacteria known as lactobacillus, what happens? That milk has been changed into curd. Now, just by removing that amount of curd, you cannot change curd into milk. A new substance has been formed. So, these all are the examples around us of chemical changes. These changes are irreversible. And in these changes, chemical properties, the constituents has been changed. A new substance has been formed. All these changes are chemical changes. That's all for today.